This is Affiliate Marketing Secrets Radio by Billy Nellis, and you're listening to session number 11. So you're probably wondering, how do affiliate marketers like us, who didn't cheat and got results with no advertising budget from start, want to effectively run an affiliate marketing business online? How do we get closer to financial freedom without using strategies that take a toll on our bank accounts? That's the big question, and you will find the answer on this podcast. My name is Billy Nellis, and welcome to Affiliate Marketing Secrets Radio. Every single service or tool that I use for my marketing have been paying for themselves from when I actually started using them. And I'm going to show you how. In my journey, I invested in myself. I invested in so many programs. I invested in so many things for me to educate myself and to get better overall as an online marketer. And at one point, I came across this gentleman. He's actually pretty genius. Some people may have mixed feelings about him. This guy's name is Vig Strijus, and I came across some of his courses and his programs, but I'm not doing anything with him right now. But the thing that I discovered with him that I actually didn't know about before is that I could be an affiliate for all the things that I would use for my marketing. For example, if I use an autoresponder, if I use something to build pages like ClickFunnels or lead pages, or something like OptimizePress, which I used a lot in the past on the WordPress platform. ClickMagick, it's a platform that allows you to create clickable links to track your traffic pretty much, and a bunch of other things. And so many other services that can help you measure what you treasure, right? So that you can keep track of your data, your stats, and everything. So what I discovered is that, anything that you're actually using for your marketing, you can be an affiliate of in the event that you're in an opportunity, right? So I have some opportunities that, allows you to be an affiliate for the specific platform so that you can refer people to that platform. And then this is how you generate some income as well. So by helping other people get set up, there's certain tools and services that I personally use that I recommend for my team or the people that I refer to these platforms. And what ended up happening is that when I recommend or I show them how I set up my business for success, they end up using the same tools. And this is how I've been growing a few streams of income just by sharing the tools that I use, the services and the tools that I use, software that I use for my marketing. And when I help them get set up with that, it's about the value, right? So I share them. I share exactly how I use it with them. In some cases, I even go ahead and set it up like they would outsource some of the setup, the stuff that they have to set up to me, right? For a fee. And this way, they go ahead, they use the same tools and services that I use, and I build streams of income that way, right? So any tools that you're using right now, if you're not an affiliate of it yet, you should go ahead and do that. And you simply have to go to their website. So, for example, if I use an autoresponder like Aweber, I've been using Aweber for almost 6 years now. When you go on their main webpage, you can scroll all the way down and you'll see a link that says affiliates. You would go there. You can become an affiliate for them. In some cases, you don't even need to have the actual service to be an affiliate. But for me, it's more about being transparent, and to make sure that I actually use something to refer or to recommend it to somebody else, right? A lot of people, it's not completely a bad thing to, maybe get some income going with something specific, with a product or something like that, and then being able to use it. Everybody have their journey when it comes to that, but if you're using something right now, it could pay itself and more and beyond just by becoming an affiliate for it, and then you refer it to somebody else, or you simply you could even do some reviews, say quick videos reviewing how to use the actual product, service, or software, and you upload videos on YouTube like that, showing others how to use it. This way, you can generate some income, with the products and services that you're using, so that they can pay themselves and beyond, right? So any services, any products, or any software that you're using, most of the time when you go to their website, you can scroll all the way down, look for the link that says affiliate. It's amazing how you can even go on, I believe, Walmart or even Best Buy, or some of the big brands, even Amazon. You can be an affiliate for Amazon if you didn't know that by now. And you scroll all the way down, you can participate in their affiliate program, and you get your own affiliate link that you can go out there and promote. And when somebody else, of course, buys from your link, then you get compensated for your efforts of promoting your affiliate link, right? So just something real quick that I wanted to share with you, because some people don't realize that you go, okay, I'm going to be using some services, I'm going to pay this per month, but in most cases you can get like 40-50% commission for everybody or anybody that you refer to the services, tools, or softwares that you're using, so that this way you can end up sharing with two people that need to use it as well. You show them how to use it, and it just pays for itself right there, right? So things like hosting that I've been sharing with a lot of people, hosting, Mouseflow, even getting domain names. I like to use Namecheap, one of the domain registrars that I like to use, other than GoDaddy, of course, is Namecheap, right? You can have an affiliate link for Namecheap, even for GoDaddy, and then when somebody needs a domain name, you just send them to your affiliate link, and when they get a domain name, you get compensated over time, right? So just something that I wanted to share with you. If you're not doing that yet, you should be an affiliate of all the softwares, services, or tools that you're using right now for your marketing, so that you can refer it to others, and this way they're just going to pay for themselves and beyond when you start to really build those streams up. This is how I'm getting multiple streams coming from left to right? Is because I'm an affiliate of all the service that I use, all the softwares and all the tools that I use for my marketing, right? So, it's something that I discovered before, and I just wanted to share that with you quickly. You may have known about that already, and if you didn't, well, now you know, and you can just go to all those websites and all those tools, softwares, and services that you're using. Go on their main web page, scroll all the way down, look for a link that says affiliate, and this way you can easily become an affiliate for those, and you're rock and rolling. All right, so hopefully you got some value off of that. Make sure that you leave me or some feedback as a review if you're listening on iTunes, right? And you can go ahead and do the same by subscribing if you're on that platform. You can also tune in on YouTube, and you can also subscribe there and hit that bell icon to get notifications for as soon as I upload new episodes, right? And don't forget that you can also leave me some questions that I can answer possibly in some of the future episodes for Affiliate Marketing Secrets Radio. When you go to affiliatemarketingsecretsradio.com and you opt in, right there you're going to have the option to actually go ahead and record a question for me, a 30-second question for me that I can answer in some of the future episodes. All right, so Billy Nettles here. I'm signing out, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Do you want to know how to set up any affiliate marketing business online the right way without being tech savvy? Go to affiliatemarketingsecretsradio.com and get access to the free 5-video series on how to do that right now.